Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Java, and we have also started the Android development tutorial series, and I hope you are enjoying that. So today we are just doing the Android tutorial development series, which is our second part here, because in the previous video I have telling you that how you can download Android Studio and how to set up files and things in that, and I hope you understand that video. So I hope you enjoy that video as well, and 400 views are crossed on that video, so it's mean that you are enjoying that videos and that are giving you help. So I'll be bringing up more videos related to Android tutorial series. So the previous video was about Java, and I hope you understand that the Java project which we have built. So today we'll be working with Android tutorial series, which is our second part, and today I will be telling you that how we can build an amazing Android app using this amazing Android development, you can say text editor, and we'll be just building our first Android app using this amazing Android development. So just I'll be telling you that how we can build this amazing first app using this Android development. So if you enjoy this video and if you just like this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing things and build these amazing projects. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can see how we can build these amazing things here. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we can build our first Android app using Android Development Studio from start. So just in the previous video, like I've just telling you, we are just working with Android development series, and we have covered up the first part in previous video here. So this is our second part, and in this video we'll be learning how we can build our first Android app here. This will be not the advanced level Android app, it will be simple Android app, which I will be telling you how you can build this using Android development studio. So I have already opened this, because it takes time to open. Because of that I have opened this. You can just also open directly here, and in the previous video we have just created our folder also, and our folder name was application1, which we have given to our project or folder. You can give any of the name to your project or folder. I have given application1 here, and I've saved in the images folder of local disk F. And now after saving this file here, we have to now work with this. So here you have to first of all create a new file in this. So for creating the new file, now I will be telling you what the step you have to do. So when you have created the folder, if you have not know how to create folder, how to install, you can check my previous video in which I have just telling you how to install this Android Studio and how to just create your first folder, what things you will be requiring, like that. You can just check my previous video if you want to learn that things there. But in this video I will be telling you how you can create your new file of Android and how you can just create your first Android app here. This will be simple Android app, only designing we will be doing. We will be not moving on to coding work, because that will be the, you can say, intermediate or advanced level thing, and I think that will be not really understandable for you. So because of that, I'm first of all starting from designing, then further on we'll be moving on to coding as well. So here first of all we will be creating a new file here. So for creating new file, you have to just create a file here. After creating the file, you can give any of the name to your file. So it's your choice what name you can just give to your file here to save it as. So these are the files which we are getting here. Now this is the main file here. In this main you will be getting this file. So I will be moving to my main activity.java file. This is our main file in Java. So you can see there it is, our main file. Now this is the coding of the main file, but you will be thinking that I've telling you that we'll be doing the designing of our app. So where we have to move and how we can just do the designing of our app. So for doing the designing, you have to just move on to the designing project, but we are not getting it because here we are just you can say the Gradle project Scenic is in progress, means our Gradle project is in progress. Because of that we are not getting the designing thing here, but you can just directly move on to designing. If you want to move, you can just create your virtual or physical device from here, and then you can move on to work with this. Then this is the emulator here. You can run your emulator, means you can just connect your mobile with your PC, and then you can run your just mobile from here directly. And then when you will be building any of the app, you will be getting it in your mobile, and you can check that how it is running and how it is working, like that things here. So this was the thing which I want to tell you about that. So these are the main files which I have opened in this. So this is the example application file which we are getting in this here. And then you can just create your application one file here. Like I will be now just creating the simple file here. So you can just create the simple file, and you can name it the name as main Java. So I will be writing main.java, like this. I've given the file name here, and now you can just work with its coding and all the stuff which you want to just add in this file here, and then you can move on to do its designing as well. So for working with the designing here, you have to just move on to the Gradle file. You can see this is the Gradle and REPL things which we are just wrapper, you can say. These are the things which we are getting when we just build our app, and when we have to combine our app to publish it on Play Store. So we use this, we use the Gradle here, or you can say there we use Gradle. So Gradle is only used for combining our app when we have just built that and when we have to run it or publish it on Play Store after combining that. So you can see this is the first fragment.java file which we are getting here. You can just move on to its configuration and check how you can run it and how you can move on to see that all stuff here. So directly we are getting it like this. You can also run it by pressing the run button, but we cannot run because we are just not getting that all stuff. You can move to its SDK manager to check if your mobile is not running or if you are having anything. So if you are having any error in your mobile app, so how you can check that all stuff. So like this we can just create. So here, from here you can pull your images structure. These are the build variants which you want here in your project. Then these are the, you can say, our Gradle is running here, which I have shown you. You can see it is saying that Gradle is in progress. So you have to just remember that thing. You have to wait a while till this you can say file is in progress here. So you can just see we are getting different files here. You can create different directories in this file. You can just work with Kotlin as well, but we will be not working on Kotlin because it moves on to advanced level. We'll be only working on Android file here, and we'll be building Android application by using this file only. So you can see we are getting all this stuff. You can just see the download version of this file as well, and then you can just work on to this file. If you want to create, you can create it, but I think that you should not be creating this file because we will be not needing this. So after doing that all stuff here, if I move to this file, you can see we are getting the example main.java file here and these all stuff. Then this is the XML file which you will be getting. In this XML file you will be getting all the codes when you have to run your file and where you have to do styling and all that stuff. You can just see in this file here. Then this is the test file which you are getting to check the test thing here. If you are want to check here onto your file here, so you can just check this test file directly from here. Then these are the build Gradle things which I've telling you how we just use it and why these things are used. So now if I move to this file, you can see this is the thing which I want to show you. Here we will be designing our app which we want to just build. So these are the drawable things here which we are getting. Then you have to move to design. So here you will be getting your design here, and if you want to move to the code, so you can just press this code directly to move on to the code. So this was the thing here. So you can see this is the res and drawable folder. In this drawable folder you will be getting your IC launcher background. So in this background you can just see the layout and all the stuff which you want to just check to your file here. So if you move to this file, here you will be getting all the stuff in this file about like how we can check this file and where we have to check and all that stuff here. You can split it. You can just see the codes of this file as well directly. I think that you should splitting this because if you split, so it will be just going faster here. And you can see it is building some of the, you can say again it is downloading some of the SDK tools which we'll be needing it here, and again it is just installing some of the Gradle project in Cynic. So you have to wait a while till this Gradle object is running. So here if you want to just create your you can say if you want to just create your device, so you can just move on to this device and you can create your own device here. You can see there these are the devices menu where you can just create your own devices here. You can see, so here you can just select any of one you can say any of one smartphone where you want to run your application which you are building. So I will be selecting this, and then you have to press next. After pressing next, you have to select the version of your system. So here I will be selecting this, but you can see it is saying that HA-Exam is not installed, so you have to install it. By pressing this install, it will be installing. So I'll be pressing next, press yes here, and then you have to finish it. You can see now I think it has been installed. So I will be now doing one thing. I will be moving here, then I will be downloading its version. So you have to wait a while till this downloading. So it will be not taking too much time. It will be downloading in some of while, you can say 2 to 3 minutes it will be taking to download. But if your system takes, or if you are not having good internet connection, so it can take too much long to just create your file here. So you can see our Gradle project is running. Because of that we can just not see our application here. So today in this video I've just telling you, and I want to tell you that how you can just work with your folders and menus things here. So this was the video about how you can just use your folders and menus in React. I hope you understand how we can just use these folders and menus and what are they about in this Android Studio. So I hope you understand this video. In the next video I will be telling you that how we can create our first Android app using this Android Development Studio. And I hope you enjoy this video. So if you have enjoyed, understand this video, like what things we are getting in Android Studio and how we can use it, so remember to hit a like to this videos, and remember to also subscribe on this channel if you want to see more videos like that, and if you are interested in these videos here. And also remember to share this video so more people can learn. So now you can see if I just move at the top, so we are just getting now activity XML file, and this is the drawingable tool which I want to show you here. If I move in this file, you can see this is the file here which we are getting. Move to directly design here, and if I move to design, I will be now just moving here by scrolling. You can see this is the first Android development, you can say, app which we are getting here. To run this app, you have to just directly press this run tab, but we are not running it because we are not having any device, so we have to use any device here. So for using device, you have to just now download any device manager here. So you can create your device by pressing this tab, and you can download any of one of them like R, Nougat, Oyo or anything. Then you can use to work with these all images here. Then you can see this is the first Android app which we have just created. We have not created that, this was the simple app which we are just getting when we just work with React. So you can just change its name as well if you want to just move here and want to change some of the things in this. So you can just change it here. So for changing it, you have to move in this file, then you can just move to this. You can say we are just having this, and then in this we are getting one button. So in this button we are getting, then this is the text view. So here you have to move in this text view, and after moving to this text view, here we have to now just do one thing. Here you have to press Ctrl Z, then move on to this, and here you will be getting some of the text and things which you want to change here. You can do it, you can write any of the text here if you want to write here. Then you can just also change the things here, like if you want to change, you can change its effect here, and then you can change some of the other thing as well here you want to change here. So you can see these are the things which we are getting in this. So I hope you understand how we have just created this first application here in this, and I hope you understand this video. So if you have understand, enjoy this video of first Android application which we have created here using Android Studio. So remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell so you can just see my all the coming up videos, and remember to check out my all the future videos as well which I'll be uploading. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.